Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is Panasonic TV won't turn on red light blinks. So, first one is unplug the TV from the power source and wait for around 60 seconds. And after that, while unplug, just simply press and hold the TV's power button for 30 seconds. And after that, just simply plug the TV back in and attempt to power it on. Now, another one is check for faulty connections. So disconnect all external devices like HDMI cables or USB drives and just simply make sure the power cable is securely connected. And now, another one is observe the blink pattern. So count the number of red blinks and just simply refer to your TV's manual or the manufacturer's website to identify the specific issue associated with that blink code. There you go. See ya.